to convey my greetings to all the people on this coming auspicious Makara Sankranti, Pongal. The last year got off to a notorious start with the outbreak of coronavirus that resulted in the COVID-19 pandemic, which played havoc with the lives and livelihoods of the people across the globe, cutting across socio-economic and geographical boundaries. We entered in this year with a certain sense of hope, further to the success of spirited efforts of our great scientists, both within and outside our country, in coming out with vaccines. There is a certain relief all across, and I hope that we'll be able to leave the dark memories of the last year behind us as early as possible. During the last year, India rose to the occasion as one collective entity in handling the pandemic with considerable results. Given the status of the health infrastructure of the country, demographic conditions, and the socio-economic inequalities, India was expected to be severely impacted in terms of cases, mortalities, and the consequences. However, due to national level resolve demonstrated, we could contain the scale of damage remarkably, and it's being acknowledged both within and outside the country. I am particularly happy to note that the government and the people of Goa did remarkably well in handling the pandemic. In the process, emerged as an example for others. I would like to really compliment the people and the government. As the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, it gives me immense pleasure to meet you, greet you, hear some of your leaders sharing their experiences. And I meet legislators from different parts of the country to exchange views and also know about the functioning of our legislature and share our concerns. I do it on a regular basis. This interaction today with the legislators of Goa is one more such occasion, and I'm really happy here today with all of you. Before I touch upon the core issues of relevance to the legislators, I would like to briefly reflect on the significance of liberation of Goa from the colonial rule of the Portuguese on December 19, 1961. It is because our past offers guidance to the present and future as well. The Goans became proud Indians after long 450 years of colonial rule. India's independence from the British colonial rule has a special significance as it marked the end of the presence of any foreign rule on our soil. The struggle for liberation of Goa was long drawn, as was the case with our fight against Britishers. From the first protest against the Portuguese by the Pintos in 1787, that is 277 years after invasion of Goa. The liberation movement had seen many ups and downs. Several leaders of the liberation movement and the protesting people were subject to the worst form of suppression and repression by the colonial rulers. On this occasion, I would like to salute the great souls who fought for the liberation of this great state. The hopes of the liberation of Goa parallel to the exit of British could not come true for various reasons. Diplomatic efforts of the government of independent India for making Goa part of India did not bear fruit. The force of aspirations of the Goans